character, knowledge, confidence. SRK Higher Secondary School, Karikalambakkam.
I love my school, SRK. Best of the best is SRK. Bright future means SRK. Quality education, SRK. Knowledge forever, love forever. Textbook friends, 3C for sure. Lovely teachers and promising. What's the culture we will start? I love my school, SRK. Best of the best is SRK. Bright future means SRK. Quality education, SRK.
Admission is going on from pre-KG to 12th standard. Group A1A, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Group A1B, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Biology. Group A2, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science. Group A3, Accountancy, Economics, Commerce and Computer Application. SRK Higher Secondary School, 45/7, Dilliyanur Main Road, Karikalambakkam, Puducherry 7.
Happy evening, my dear students. Welcome to visual class. Already we have seen unit 3 non-type. Now we'll start with the lesson, page 94. We'll see the continuation of 94. Okay. Up to sulking we have seen. Up to this we have completed. So in this there are 20 characters, 1 to 8 men, 1 to 8 women. Next, one sister, one dentist and 2 children. One boy and one girl. What is the girl name? What is the girl name, ma? The girl name is Dorothy and the boy is Maurice. Now we will continue with that, okay, ma? So here man 2. What man 2 is hearing here? There should be a special waiting room for children. What he is saying that for a children there may be a special waiting room. The metallic screech is heard again from the surgery. Fred stops from woman 1. Again what is happening? Again the metallic screech sound is hearing. Okay, ma? Again the metallic sound is coming from the surgery room. Now women 1. I can't stand it. Oh Joe. Who is shouting here? Women 1, because the man 1 is inside the surgery room, isn't it? So woman 1 is not able to sit in the chair. So she is standing and saying Joe and she is calling. Is it clear? Man 4 now groans. What man 4 is doing? He started shouting with the pain. Small boy. What was that noise, mummy? Now small boy is asking to her mother, what is the noise? Woman 8 is saying, don't ask awkward questions, Maurice. Who is woman 8? Woman 8 is the mother of small boy. What he is saying? Don't ask awkward questions. Always don't ask questions, Maurice. Like that he is saying. Now man 7. I will tell you, little boy, that noise was a man having a tooth out. That's how it's going to sound. When you have yours out, only much louder, because then it will be inside your head. Now what man 7 is saying? Mother and the son is giving conversation. No, that time man 7 is entering and saying, I will tell you, little boy, I will explain you what is that noise. So he is saying that noise is having a tooth out. That person has been taking the tooth. That sound is going to sound. And also when you are taking the tooth, you will also be shouting like this. And your noise will be much louder than that boy inside your head. Okay, ma'am. Next, women 6. What women 6 is saying? What a thing to tell a small boy. What women 6 is saying? What are the things you are saying to a small boy? This is the thing you will talk to a small boy, because he is not able to tolerate the pain. He will be scared. No, when the small boy is hearing of the sound, they will be scared. So he is saying, women 6 is saying, how you are telling to this small boy? What a thing you are saying. Man 6 is discussing. Why? Then man 7. It will do the lad good, bring him up natural, I always say. What man 7 is saying? It is correct to say all the things in a natural way. We should not hide anything from our children. We should say how the nature is being brought. If it is paining, it's paining. If it's raining, it's raining. We should not say it won't pain, it won't gain. So whatever it is true, you should make our children to grow in the nature way. Next, small boy. What small boy is saying? Oh mummy, take me to school. Quick, take me to school. What small boy is saying? Mummy, take me to the school. Quick, we will go to the school. Now women 8. Take you to school. What on earth do you mean? Now the mother is asking, what to school? What do you think in your mind? Like that, woman 8 is asking to the boy, Maurice. Now small boy, I haven't got toothache at all. I was only joking. I just wanted to get off school. Take me to school, mummy, please. Now what the Maurice is saying? I'm not at all having toothache. I was only joking to cut the school. I was not interested to go to school. So just I want to put leave. I was joking that I was having a toothache. Please take me to school, mummy. Like that Maurice asking the mother. Now what everyone is doing? Everyone is laughing, the persons who are waiting in the clinic. Now women 8. What women 8 is doing? I will take you to school. All right. Now women 8 is saying the mother, I will take you to school. All right. Woman 8 takes the small boy by the ear. She drags him out. How the mother is taking the boy Maurice? She is holding the ear of the boy and she is dragging him out of the place. And I will get the headmaster to give you a good thrashing, and also I will inform your headmaster to give you a nice thrashing. Now exit. Woman 8 and the small boy is going out of the dentist room. Now yelling means he is shouting and going, because the lady has been pulling the ear, no. So with that pain he is shouting and going. Now man 5, a little discipline, that's what he wants. What man 5 is saying? There should be a discipline in the public place. That lady has been behaving like this. Now woman 5 is still showing her photographs. Now all these things were happen in the clinic. What woman 5 is doing still? Woman 5 is still showing the photographs. Now women 5, this one should make quite an impression on you, dear. Now this woman 5 is again showing, this one will make you a quite impression. Again she is showing some of the photos. If you see this, it will be more impressed. There is a loud hammering from the surgery. Again what sound is coming? Hammering sound. Loud hammering sound. Very loud hammering sound is coming from the surgery again. Now women 6, yes it does. What women 6 is saying? Yes, the sound is coming. Now enter nurse from the surgery. Now nurse is entering into the surgery. Now dentist voice. What the dentist is saying? Off, the dentist is saying. Do hurry, nurse, or we will never get this thing shift. What the dentist is saying to the nurse? We will never get this thing shift. We can shift these things like that. Dentist is saying to the nurse. Nurse walks across the stage and off. Now the nurse is going across the stage means where the persons are waiting. No, so she is going to the stage and turning left. Now man 6. Well, really I don't think I can wait. What man 6 is saying now? Well, I think I can't wait anymore. Are you ready? Standing. Now man 6 is standing here. Okay. Man standing means he started getting up and he's ready to go out. Now man 5. Neither can I'll be very late for work. Now man 5 is also saying, I can also wait no more, it will be late for my work. So man 6 and man 5 are exiting. Exiting means they are going out. So man 5 and man 6 is also going out of the clinic. So already women 5 and women 8, the mother and the Maurice went. Now exiting, man 5 and man 6 is also exiting. Now women 6. But surely they can't really be using those tools to take out a tooth. What women 6 is saying, surely they can't use these type of tools to take a tooth. It is not possible to take these type of tools to take a tooth. Now women 4 is saying, you heard what the man said. Women 4 is asking to the women 6, did you hear what that man said? Now women 6 is saying, and those men have gone to, and also what they did? They have went out of the clinic. Okay ma? Next man 7 covers every one of them. They can't take it. Now what they are saying, what man 7 is saying? Very bad. The peoples are not waiting, and also they are very much feared of the pain. So they can't take it. So they can't bear that pain. So they all went away like that. Man 7 is saying. Now the little girl. Already one little girl was there, no? Dorothy. Now little girl. Mummy, I was only joking about my toothache too. I haven't really got one. I was only trying to get off school. Again, what the little girl Dorothy is saying? He is also saying, Mummy, I was also joking. I'm not having a toothache too. I haven't really got one. I was only trying to get off school, and also she was also having the idea of getting off school. Now women 7. Nonsense, Dorothy. You know your tooth is black as a kitchen range. You are only trying to get off it. Now what the woman is saying to the daughter, Dorothy, do you think you are mad? Your teeth is already black as a kitchen range. In the kitchen, some of the kitchen there will be dirty, no? So the mother is comparing the kitchen with the Dorothy's teeth. Okay ma? So you are only trying to get off it. So your teeth is going to be like that. The little girl breaks into a howl. Again the little girl started crying. Man 2, I can't stand howling children, I am off. Now man 2, what he is saying? He also saying, I can't stand hereafter, I am also moving, and he also is standing here. Now man 3, and I can't stand the mother, I am coming with you. So who is going? Man 2 and 3, they both are also coming out. So exiting, who and who? Man 2 and man 3. So they are also went out. 7. So all the girls, all the women went. Now what women 5? Who is women 5 here? Women 5 is the person who is showing the photographs. Now she is moving to women 7. Would you like to see some of my holidays photos? Now what she is saying? Would you like to see some of my holidays photos? She started showing the photo to women 7. Now women 7. Well, I don't really. What is saying? No, I am not interested in it. Like that women 7 is saying. Now women 5. Now don't be shy. Now this one is a bit blurred, but down in the corner you can see my sister-in-law's little boy. What the women 5 is saying? No, don't be shy. This one is little blurred. This photo is not that much clear, but down in the corner you can see my sister-in-law's little boy. This photo only is not good, but in the corner of the photo you can see a sister-in-law's little boy standing. Now women 7. Takes the offered photograph reluctantly, without willingly, unwillingly. Reluctantly means what? Unwillingly, without willingly, she is holding the photo and looks at it vacantly. Without willing, she is seeing. The surgery door opens and the dentist enters. Now the surgery door is opening and the dentist enters. He looks very hot and bothered. He stands in the doorway. How the dentist? He is very tired and he is coming and standing in the doorway. Now the dentist, what the dentist is doing here? I am fed up with this. I am off to get someone who knows something about the job. Dentist is coming out of the doorsteps, coming and standing and saying that I am very much fed up with this. I think I can call a person who knows a work about this. What he is saying, dentist? I can call some other person who knows about this work very well. So what the person is also sitting outside, what they are thinking here? The dentist rides across the stage and exits left. Again the dentist is going across the stage and he is also entering the left. For a moment, women 2, man 4 and women 5 sit gapping. Now who is in the thing? Women 2, women 4 and women 5, they are sitting and gapping. Then women 1 wails as women 2, women 7 and the little girl stand and make for the door left. So these are the persons standing in the door left. Okay ma? Now man 7, this is the end I am of now. Man 7 also started moving. There are cries of me too. So my here I go etc. And all except women 1 and women 5 go out in a hurry. Except women 1 and women 5, all other persons went out in a hurry. Because of what the dentist said? Because dentist said that he want some person who knows the work about that. Okay, so all the persons are moving except women 1 and women 5. Now women 5. Well, really people are very rude. Not women 5 is saying that photographer lady. Yes, all the people are very rude. Women 5 looks at the wailing woman. Now what women 5? The person who is showing the photograph, no? Now she is moving to the women 1 because nobody is inside that veranda. Everyone has went out, isn't it? So women 5 and women 1 is there. The lady who is showing the photo and the husband is inside. Joe is inside. Okay. Whatever is the matter, my dear. Now women 5 is asking to women 1, what is the matter, my dear? Women 1, it's Joe. Poor Joe. Goodness knows what state he is now. Women 1 is saying, it's Joe. My poor Joe. Goodness, I don't know what is the status of his now. Now women 5, Joe, who is Joe and what is the matter with him? Now only she is coming to that place like she is asking, who is Joe and what is the matter with him? Who is Joe? She is asking to women 5, women 5 is asking to women 1, who is Joe and what is the matter about him? Okay ma? Next, women 1. I am afraid to go in. I am afraid to look. Joe's my husband and that awful dentist has been working on him. He is in there. Now what women 1 is saying? I am afraid to go in. I am afraid to look. Joe is my husband and that awful dentist has been working on him. So that dentist has been working on him. He is in there. Now he is not there. So I am very much scared to see my husband Joe. Now women 1 points to the surgery. Now women 1 is seeing the surgery. Women 5. Well, I don't suppose he has come to any harm. Now women 5, that photographer lady, know what she is saying? Don't worry, nothing will be happened and anything will not be harmed your husband Joe. Now women 5 sits beside women 1. Now what women 5 is doing? She is going and sitting beside women 1 because she wants to show the photo, no? So she is going and sitting beside women 1. I'll tell you what, dear, you need cheering up. I'll tell you are so sad, so that you need some cheering up. Here, you just have a look at my holiday photos. What she started doing? Again, she started showing the holiday photos. They are ever so cheerful. How it will be? It will be very cheerful for you. Just have a look on it. Now, women 1 breaks into your fresh shops. Now, hearing this women 5 speech, she is getting little fresh. Now, women 5, oh dear me, where is that every amusing one? Now women 5 is searching of the amusing photos. She has missed somewhere. Women 5 looks through the her photographs. Now women 5, what she is doing? She is searching that photographs. She is searching the photographs. I must have lost it. Yes, I'll probably be over there. What she is doing? She is going in. I think I would have been last. Yes, I'll probably be over there. She is going and searching the photos where she was sitting already. Now women 5 walks across to her previous position and starts looking for the last photograph. Women 1 continues sobbing. Enter man 1 from the surgery. What the women 5? Women 5 went to the previous place where she was sitting. Now what she is doing? Women 4. Women 1, she starts looking for, women 5 is looking for the photograph. Women 1 starts again crying. Enter man 1 from surgery. Now man 1 is coming out of the surgery. Now man 1. Why? Whatever is the matter, Imli? Now man 1 is coming out and asking, what is the matter, Imli? Imli means who is here? Women 1. So man 1's wife, Joe's wife is called as Imli. Underline this word, this may be asked in 1 mark. Okay, ma? So Joe's wife is Imli. Women 1, Joe, are you alright? Let me look at you, Joe. Now what woman 1 is asking to Joe? Joe, are you alright? Look at me, Joe. Are you alright? She is asking in a exact string. Okay, ma? Now man 1, of course I am alright. Why shouldn't be alright? Why shouldn't be I alright? Now man 1 is saying, of course I am alright. Why shouldn't I be not alright? Why should I not be alright? She is asking the lady. Who? Imli. Now women 1 is saying, but Joe, all that hammering and sawing, what the women 1 is saying, but I saw the sister was carrying hammering and sawing. So she was scared about that. Man 1, oh that was only the dentist trying to force open his instrumental cabin. So these are the instruments are not used for taking the tooth. This was used only for opening the instrument of the cabin of dentist. Is it clear? So they didn't use these tools for pulling the teeth. They are using these instruments to open the dentist instrument cabin. Is it clear? Women 1, his cabin. Now women 1 is asking his cabin. Yes, you see, he lost the key. Now man 1 is saying, yes, of course, because he lost the key of the cabin. Women 1. So he hasn't done anything to you, Joe. Now women 1 is asking to Joe. Then he didn't do anything for you. He didn't start the treatment. Now man 1 is asking, not a thing, and I can't wait any longer this morning. What man 1 is saying? No, nothing has been happened and he didn't start with the treatment and it's already late, so I can't wait no more. So I have made an appointment with him for this evening instead of morning. So what man 1 is saying, it's already late, I can't wait no more. So I got the appointment in the evening instead of morning. The nurse gave me some pills to deaden the pain in the meantime. So still that what the nurse has given, pills means here tablets. So this nurse has been given the pills, tablets to reduce my pain of the toothache to the meantime. Now women 1. Oh Joe, I was so upset seeing all this hammer and saw what the lady was one. How the woman 1 was, she was so upset. Now man 1. Well, it's alright now, Imli, so let's go. Okay, it's alright. Now we will go. So Imli and Joe is going out. Now women 1 and man 1 got left. A moment later, the nurse enters from the surgery. After women 1 and man 1 went, who is coming out? Nurse is entering from the surgery. She is walking across the stage when the dentist enters left. The dentist is waving a key. What is happening? The dentist is taking a key, waving and coming like this. Okay, ma. Now dentist, I found it, believe it or not, but it was under the telephone directory. Where the key was? You believe it or not, I found the key, it was under the telephone directory. What an awful waste of time. So taking all these tools and trying to open the box, it was totally waste of time. Nurse, I am afraid the first patient couldn't wait. However, he made an appointment for me this evening. What the nurse is saying? The first patient went away. He has got an appointment this evening. Dentist, fair enough. I will take the next patient. What the dentist is saying? It's okay now. I'll take the next patient. No more patients are there because all of them went hearing the sound of the hammer and the saw. Only who is reminding back? Only woman 5 is there. Who is that woman 5? The person who is still looking her photograph. Still she is interested seeing the photograph. Dentist goes into the surgery. Nurse turns on a woman 5 who is still looking at her photograph. She doesn't know what has happened. She is still looking only at her photograph. Now nurse. Now madam, the dentist is ready. So nurse is coming and calling woman 5. Madam, the dentist is ready. Woman 5 looks up. Now only woman 5 is looking up. Woman 5, do you mean me, miss? Now woman 5 is asking, do you me? Are you calling me miss? Nurse, yes. Would you step into the surgery please? Now nurse is asking to the woman 5, yes ma'am, I called you only. Can you come into the surgery? Now nurse goes into the surgery. Now nurse is also going to the surgery. Now woman 5, dear me, that long queue did move quickly, didn't it? Now woman 5 is asking, dear, are you calling me? There was a long queue, that much quickly the queue has been moved. Is it like that? Woman 5 is asking. But actually what happened? All of the persons went except Joe. Only Joe went to the surgery. Other persons all went home hearing the sound of hammer and the saw. Now only woman 5 is thinking all the patients have been see the dentist. So now woman 5 follows the nurse into the surgery and the curtain has been closed. Now woman 5 is going to the surgery with nurse. So what we should not do? We should not assume with the sound or the things what has happened. We should not assume anything. We should just go and see what has been happened. So assuming the peoples have been assumed that they have taking the teeth with the hammers and saw. So with that scare they all went out without showing the dentist their teeth. Is it clear? I think this lesson is over. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Now we'll see the meanings. Now groaning. Groaning means crying in a pain. The pain which we are not able to tolerate now, that is called as groaning, and crying in a pain. Dreadful. Extremely bad. It is very bad. Okay. Ice lollies, flavored ice or ice cream on a stick. In our small days we would have this ice lollies. That is called as flavored ice or ice cream on a stick. Weenie tug. Weenie tug means already I told you small pull. From the teeth they will take tuck. That is called weenie tug. Gas, anesthesia. It is not a LPG gas. It is called as anesthesia, which will be given for the patient by doctor. Scream, a very funny thing. Scream means a very funny thing. Ferrying, already I told you it's a carrying. Queer, strange. Writhing, W is silent here. Writhing, twisting the body from side to side. Agni, severe pain. Agni means here what? Severe pain. Sulking, being sad and silent. Sulking means always being sad and silent. Blurred, hazy or not clear. So these are the meanings. I hope you all understood. We have completed up to unit 3. So already we have started writing the grammar classwork, isn't it? You have completed grammar classwork. Those who didn't complete the grammar classwork, kindly finish your grammar classwork and submit it on me the next class. From 1 to 3 units you have to write the classwork, synonymous, antonyms, question answers, answer in detail. This all the things should be written in another class. You have already given grammar note and extra one classwork is there. So 2 notes for a subject we have put, isn't it? In a classwork from unit 1 to unit 3 everything should be completed. From synonymous, antonyms, answer in detail, answer the following questions for each prose, poem and supplementary reader. Up to unit 3 everybody should have been completed. Okay, hope you all enjoyed the lesson. Thank you, have a nice day.
Character, knowledge, confidence. SRK Higher Secondary School, Curriculum Parkam.
I love my school, it's okay. Best of the best is okay. Bright future means it's okay. Quality education, it's okay. Knowledge forever, last forever. Faithful friends to see for sure. Lovely teachers and promises. What's the culture we will start? I love my school, it's okay. Best of the best is okay. Bright future means it's okay. Quality education, it's okay.
Admission is going on from pre-KG to 12th standard. Group A1A, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Group A1B, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Biology. Group A2, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science. Group A3, Accountancy, Economics, Commerce and Computer Application. SRK Higher Secondary School, 45/7, Dillianur Main Road, Karikalambakkam, Puducherry 7.